Today's video is about how to create and edit a new project task using the Bizini project portal from bizini.biz. From the project Kanban view, select the project that you want to add the task to and then select Tasks. Check the search box to ensure you are creating a task in the correct project, then click on Create New Task. Give the new task a name, and if need be, you can change the stage to which the task belongs using the shortcuts at the top right of the form. The project and individual to whom the task is assigned is auto-populated, as is the reviewer of the task. These can be changed using the drop-downs. Enter the number of hours that you initially planned for the task to take, and also the deadline date for the completion of the task. For ease of management, it is possible to add a label to the task. This is done by selecting an existing label from a drop-down menu or by creating a new one. The working time progress field is automatically calculated using the initially planned hours, activities and working summary fields. This information is also summarized at the bottom of the form. The description field is a free text field to enable you to provide a full description of the task to be undertaken. The activities area of the form enables you to identify each activity associated with the completion of the task. It enables you to document the name of the activity, the person responsible for the completion of the activity, the planned completion date, the actual completion date, a description of the activity, and its current status. It's possible to assign as many activities as are required to each individual task within the project. The reason that we are using dates from the past in this example is so that when we look at the Gantt chart later on in the video, it does not look odd. It's possible or even expedient to save the data at any point during the completion of the form. You can edit or carry on completing the form by simply clicking the Edit button. You can change the order of the activities either by drag and drop or by clicking the arrow on the top left of the activities form. You can change the status of any given activity by simply clicking on the current status. It's worth noting that you do not have to be in edit mode to complete either of these operations. The Delegation tab enables you to create hierarchies and set dependencies between tasks. To make our new task a subtask, click on Add Item in the Parent Tasks form. Then select the parent task from the drop-down presented. We have made the new Office Design task a subtask of the high-level Design task, and this new relationship that we've created can now be viewed in the form view of both tasks. Navigate back to the new Office Design task via the Kanban view. The Extra Info tab mostly concerns itself with the task representations in the Gantt view. Changing the priority of a task can be done without being in edit mode. Setting a task to a high priority will mean it appears at the top of the Gantt chart. Setting the sequence number will ordinarily define where the task sits within the Gantt chart in relation to the sequence numbers applied to the other tasks. The customer, company and last stage update fields are pre-populated, but can be changed using the drop-down. The start and end date fields are self-explanatory. They are used to define the length of the bar associated with the task in the Gantt chart view of the project. Don't forget to save any changes that you've made. Bizini project will automatically record any changes to the task in the task message log. This is also the best place for recording manual updates. The social media functionality of the application will also push those updates to each individual who is following the task. It's also possible to define what kind of update prompts a push notification. To edit a task, navigate to the form view of that task. This is most easily done via the Kanban view of the project. As activities are completed, click on the Edit button and add the effort associated with the completion of those activities to the work summary. The work summary form enables you to record a description of the work that was completed, the number of hours that were spent in completing the work, the date and time that the work was completed, and the individual by whom the work was completed. Once a work summary record has been saved, Bizini Project will automatically recalculate the number of hours spent and the number of hours remaining on any given task. This information is summarized at the bottom right of the form and is also represented in the working time progress in the top right of the form. Remaining hours are also displayed on the Kanban view, as are completed activities. The list view of project tasks identifies all the project tasks in a text format. Progress to date is identified in a graduated bar chart on the far right. The Gantt view identifies all the project tasks in a traditional Gantt chart. It's possible to change the granularity and the date range that the Gantt chart displays. The calendar view identifies all the project milestones within your calendar. Going back to the Kanban view, it's possible to move tasks between project stages by dragging and dropping the tile between the appropriate stages. You can also change the colour of any given tile. This may be useful in identifying the task's current status. It's also possible to navigate directly to the edit view of the task form directly from the Kanban view. Don't forget to save any changes that you make. And that's how easy it is to create and edit a task in Bizini Project. Bizini Project from Bizini.biz. For more information, please go to our website www.bizini.biz or email info@bizini.biz. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more product demonstrations. Thanks for watching.